Okay guys, here we go. Another box of 2010 National Treasures. Box number 492. Everybody that bought a slot, good luck. And let's break them. Okay, once again, good luck to everybody. Let's start us off from the Denver Broncos, John Elway. Next card is the NFL Greatest, Green Bay Packers, Forrest Gregg. Colts, Reggie Wayne. Chargers, Kellen Winslow. Short print. Number 99 for the first hit. Steelers. Patch. Troy P. One of my faves. Next card. Roger Staubach. Nice. Dallas Cowboys. Next hit. Buffalo Bills. Patch number 83. Lee Evans. Okay. Next card. Mike Kafka. Ooh, nice patches. Nice patches. Philadelphia Eagles. Number 49. Next card. Atlanta Falcons. Anybody know that signature? Mr. Matt Ryan. It's a really nice auto right there. That is number 2/5. Matt Ryan, number 2/5. Next card. Blue auto. Nice. Sean Green. That is number 10. Jets. Next card. Another auto. New England Patriots. Devin McCurry. And the last card is a skinny card, which I've never seen out of this before. Good luck. It's triple auto. To get anybody's hopes up. Eric Decker. Tim Tebow. And Demaryius Thomas. Broncos. Really nice card. It's a thin card compared to the rest. It's not numbered. Nice hit. You can see it's a lot skinnier than the other regulars. Not sure why they did that, but congrats to everybody that got a hit.